All right. So can I leave?
I would really wish you would.
All right. And I wish I don't have to see your face again. Or your double chin.
We head to Royal Oak, Michigan for a hearing. 19-year-old Isaiah Johnson Reed has been charged with speeding. 2 months earlier, Johnson Reed was pulled over and ticketed while driving 42 in a 25-mile-per-hour zone. But the officer who issued the ticket gave Johnson Reed a break, reporting his speed at just 30 miles an hour, likely resulting in lighter penalties for the defendant. Today, Johnson Reed appears remotely before Magistrate Donald Chisholm to enter a plea.
The default speed limit is 25. Now, the officer reduced what he cited you for from 42 down to 30. So he brought you from a 4-point ticket to a 1-point ticket.
With all due respect, Your Honor, I feel that 42 miles per hour isn't a reckless speed to drive. And at the time, there's nobody outside. But I understand.
Mr. Johnson Reed, what does it matter what you feel?
Who am I hurting driving 42 miles per hour? And there's nobody outside. It's cold.
In your judgment, goodness, you've been driving how long?
Sure,
3 or 4 years?
Huh?
Huh? We use huh in court?
I didn't hear what you say. I use huh in general.
Yeah, I don't doubt that at all.
I'm sure you don't.
If you're going to drive on the streets that belong to the people of the state of Michigan, you're going to comply with their rules, whether you agree with them or not. That's
And
part
I
of the... No, you didn't. You were driving
Yes.
42 and a 25.
And I pulled over once I got pulled over.
Oh, that makes everything okay.
I mean,
What difference does that make, Mr.
There are people who
Reed?
don't pull over, are there not? Like, you seem like you just came here to argue with me. I came here to get a no-point offense. Like this.
And you're going to leave with a fine and 1 point. It's $130. We're done.
Judge Chisholm moves to end the hearing, but the defendant does not appear to be done.
Like, that was what I came here with. There's no point in me coming here if that's the case.
With your attitude, I don't think there was much point in you coming at all.
You were the only
We're
one
done.
who came in here with an attitude after making me wait for 20 minutes, with all due respect.
You know, when somebody says all due respect, what that tells me is that they're going to say something that's not respectful. Mr. Johnson Reed, this is one of those periods where I really wish we didn't have Zoom, because if you were in the courtroom...
Brother, you're the one who scheduled this entire thing.
No, you're the one that called the court to schedule it.
You're the one who sent
schedule
this in the mail to me.
The hearing was scheduled at your request.
All right, so what are we talking about? Like,
We're not talking about anything. You're just going around in circles.
all right, buddy. So is that it? Do you have anything else to say?
I do, but I won't.
All right. So can I leave?
I would really wish you would.
All right. And I wish I don't have to see your face again. Or your double chin.
Johnson Reed received 1 point on his license and was ordered to pay a fine of $130, which 3 days later, he did. The case is now closed.